Hello, buddies! Today we will learn 20 common birds' name in English. Let's get started. Number first, goose. Number second, turkey. Number third, quail. Number fourth, seagull. Number fifth, stork. Number sixth, vulture. Number seventh, myna. Number eighth, falcon. Number ninth, starling. Number 10th, house sparrow. Number 11th, rock pigeon. Number 12th, barn swallow. Number 13th, moorhen. Number 14th, white wagtail. Number 15th, common snipe. Number 16th, red-vented bulbul. Number 17th, common babbler. Number 18th, hoopoe. Number 19th, black drongo. Number 20th, house swift. If you like this video, then don't forget like and subscribe.